This video is sponsored by Actuators. Check description for more information.
Hello friends and viewers, I welcome you all to my channel and you are watching a very fresh new episode of Day Roundup, and in the Day Roundup session we cover some of the important news happening all around the country. With that being said, with that being cleared, let's start updating ourselves. Before moving ahead friends, I would like to say sorry to you all because I was not able to post Day Roundup videos for the past 2 days on YouTube because I was not having sufficient time to record the videos and upload it on YouTube. So what I have done is I have uploaded the graphical image of Day Roundup on my Facebook and Instagram handle. So if you're not following me on Facebook and Instagram, then you must do so, because whenever I am not getting time to post videos on YouTube, I do it on my Facebook and Instagram handle. All the links are given in the description box below. Make sure that you follow me on all my social media platforms so that you never miss an update. Starting off with the Indian markets, the market saw a good recovery in the last hour of the trade, cutting big losses and ending the August series in a better note. The trade was highly affected with a dipping rupee, which depreciated to a fresh low of Rs 70.8550 a dollar. Among the sectors, FMCG, Pharma and PSU banks were among the top gainers, and sectors like energy, auto and bank nifty were among the top losers. The market breadth was slightly on a positive side just because 1400 shares advanced against a decline of 1200 shares. At the close of the trading hour, Sensex ended below by 32 points and Nifty went down by 12.20 points. Next up, we have an update from India's third largest rapidly growing online retail space, PAYTM Mall, and the PAYTM Mall is trying very hard to compete with Flipkart and Amazon in the e-commerce segment. For this, PAYTM Mall is trying to host Big Basket on their PAYTM mobile app so that consumers can directly buy groceries from the PAYTM Mall itself. PAYTM Mall, owned by Paytm e-commerce, has already a revenue sharing partnership with Future Retail, which owns hypermarket like Big Bazaar. With the backing of Alibaba Group, SoftBank and now Berkshire Hathaway, Paytm is looking forward to rule the e-commerce segment in the country. The next news is from DLF, and India's largest real estate company has now finally disclosed that the big bull Mr. RAKESH Jhunjhunwala is holding around 1.19 crore shares in the company. From the information available from BSE, the company has an equity base of 170.84 crore shares, out of which Jhunjhunwala's stake is equal to 0.67%. At the price of Rs 216, the valuation of Jhunjhunwala's stake in the company is around 257 crore. According to a source, his last purchase was made at Rs 170 per share. JP Morgan has an overweight rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 280 by 1st March 2019. Next up, we have an update for an IPO, and the government is all set to launch the UTI AMC IPO. Finance Ministry has already approved a no obligation certificate for the initial share sale of UTI AMC. But before the launch of IPO, government wants the top stakeholders of UTI AMC to reduce their stakes. Among the stakeholders, LIC, SBI, PNB and Bank of Baroda will be required to reduce their stake from 18.25% to 10% each. The IPO will be valued at Rs 5,000 crore, and now let's see when this IPO gets launched in the Indian market. Moving towards the last news of the day, the update is from Nokia 6.1 Plus smartphone, and the phone went on sale for the first time in India today via Flipkart at 12 PM. According to the reports, the phone went out of stock within 3 minutes, and Flipkart claims that around 150 units were sold every second for those 3 minutes. This is a very rare scenario for Nokia phones in the Indian market, but the same scenario was seen when the phone got launched in China earlier than this. To recall the feature, the phone supports a dual rear camera with a notch display and a glass body at an attractive price range of Rs 15,990. The phone was in stock on Nokia.com portal after it went out of stock on Flipkart. So friends, that was all from me for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then do share it and do subscribe to our channel. And as said earlier, you can follow me on different social media platforms so that you never miss an update for the day roundups. All the links are given in the description box below. Till then, take care, goodbye, and yes, do remember to stay sharp and be updated. This is me, your host, Mehul Kumar, signing off for today. God bless you.